Manus AI just launched an update that transforms it into one of the most advanced AI agents available. Unlike traditional tools that offer suggestions or assistance, Manus takes action. You type in a prompt, and it executes the task: research, writing, automation, or analysis, while you focus on more important things. Here's why it matters. Manus now allows file uploads from your device or Google Drive, can be trained with custom knowledge entries, and operates in multiple task windows if you're on the Pro plan. You're essentially managing a high-performing digital employee. Take these real examples. Manus wrote a full growth check-in for a TikTok client based on profile analysis. No need to input the client's name. It cloned a full website with all code and assets, generated an in-depth course from a single prompt, and analyzed the profitability of investment options with a professional-level report. It even critiqued its own investment recommendation and offered a counter-strategy. Whether you're improving SEO, building sales workflows, automating outreach, or generating personalized emails, Manus handles it all with precision. The real power lies in its ability to work on multiple complex projects at once, all while learning from your knowledge base. You get customized outputs, smarter workflows, and time back on your calendar. If you're ready to automate real business tasks and turn AI into your behind-the-scenes team, this is your moment. Join us in Club Jam for the 30-day AI Challenge, a step-by-step journey where we help you unlock tools like Manus AI and apply them to grow and scale your business with clarity and speed. You bring the vision, we'll bring the execution. Let's build smarter, together.